Hi, welcome to Tag Arcade, and in today's tutorial, we will be installing the Unreal Engine and creating our first application, Hello World. So if this tutorial helps you out, go to my website, www.tagarcade.com, and click on this nice button on the top right hand corner. So in order to get started with the Unreal Engine, let's go ahead and download the engine. So let's go to unreal.com, and let's begin our download. So we're going to go ahead and click on this download button on the top right hand corner, and it's going to ask you to create an account. Since I've already created an account, I'm just going to hit sign in and type in my account information. Okay, once we do that, we're just going to hit Windows to download the Windows application, and let's go ahead and run. Why not? Okay, so here's our installer. Let's go ahead and install the applications. We're going to say yes, we want to install this, and let's just go on with it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to allow access to both private and public networks. Let's go ahead and close the browser since we don't really need it anymore. And in the background, the Epic Games is downloading updates. So once this is finished, we'll see what happens. Okay, so it looks like that small download was finished. So once again, let's go ahead and sign back in. And once we're in, let's go ahead and click on the Unreal Engine on the top, and let's install the engine. So yeah, that's fine. So let's hit install, say yes, and let's have the Unreal Epic Launcher, or sorry, the Epic Games Launcher download and install the Unreal Engine for us. Okay. Okay, so after a few dialog boxes, it is done installing. So let's go ahead and launch the application. Okay, so I am going to start with a blank document, and let's just go ahead and create a new name. Since this is my Hello World, I am just going to create Hello World as my name. And let's go ahead and create the project. And I'm just going to close the Epic Games Launcher. Just exit, why not? And let's go ahead and let the editor open up. Okay, so if you're using Unreal for the first time, you're going to see the two chairs and the table load up. If this is not your first time, you will see a black window instead. So it doesn't really matter which scene opens up. In this case, we're still going to produce Hello World onto the screen. So let's go ahead and click on Add New, go to User Interface, and click on Widget Blueprint. Now we're going to call this Message, because this is the message we want to go ahead and show to the user. So go ahead and double click on it, and it's going to open up, I guess, the blueprint editor. We're going to go ahead and scroll down to our text field, drag that onto our scene, and let's change the text over here under content text and change this to Hello World. Now Hello World is really small, so let's scroll down a little bit more to where you have the appearance and the font. And right now it's set for 24 font. Let's go ahead and make that to 100. Because of this the box being so small, let's go ahead and make it bigger so we could accommodate for the bigger text and just place it on the top of the screen. Now we're going to hit save, compile, and once we get that green check mark, we could safely close the window. Next, we are going to go over to Blueprints and click on Open Level Blueprint. Once that opens up, we are going to create a brand new widget. So to get this little box right here, I'm going to right click anywhere on this grid. So we're going to right click, and in that search box, I'm just going to say Create Widget. Now, for the class, we are going to select our message, and for the return value, where you see, I guess, the blue circle and return value, we're going to click anywhere here and release it anywhere outside of this blue, well, not blue, but inside anywhere in this grid system. Once we release, we're going to say Add to Viewport. Now what we want to do is we want to show our message to the player constantly. So we're going to create a brand new event system. So we're going to say event tick. Next we're going to click on this, I guess, triangle and connect it up to our new widget. Finally, let's go ahead and save this. And well, the green check actually automatically appeared under compile, so we're done. Let's go ahead and close it. So now if we hit play, whoa, that's really, really loud, so I'm going to hit escape to quit, but we saw Hello World on the screen at the top. So what I'm going to do is, since our program is done, let's go ahead and package this for the Windows application. So I'm going to click on File, go down to Package, and we are going to package this for Windows. I'm running Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. For me, where should I put this? I'm just going to say New Folder, Compile. Why not? Oh, come on. Enter. Okay, that's fine. Can I go to compile? Thank you. Select folder. I am compiling my Unreal game. Okay, that was pretty quick actually. So once we're done compiling, let's go ahead and close sorry, I can't talk. So let's go ahead and close the Unreal Engine and open it up. So let's see, where is it? So I put it under my D drive under compile, Windows no editor. There's my Hello World. Let's double click on it and run our Hello World application. So yeah, that's it. We got Hello World and our desks and a chair, and we got to move around and spin around and all that other good stuff. So if you like this tutorial, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And until next time, have fun and keep on creating games.